So, quick update, couple of modifications, OEM replacement parts, upgrade basically, bunch of decals right here, get some Evotech axle sliders, I got the mirrors right here, DB race, and then got some Evotech frame sliders. Got some radiator guards right there, and then I got the Aero exhaust, you know, just for a little bit of noise, and you know, because it's quiet as hell, you know. And then I got the mounts, right? Got the TWM levers, brake, clutch, and I got the TWM shift tech gas cap. So, and then I got the TWM chain tensioner. Then I got the TST's delete. Taillight tidy delete. So basically, that's just what it is. You know, I got some foot pegs right there, CNC. Basically, that's about it, you know. Alright, so to cool the engine down a little bit, it was a little bit hot between my legs, so kept the stock chain. That's the M chain, came with it. I got the forged wheels, that's stock. So basically, this is the premium package, dynamic package,